I'm Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. Let's talk a little bit more about the meshing around pattern and the supplies that you'll need to make a drawstring backpack. The meshing around pattern gives complete step-by-step instructions for making the drawstring backpacks in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. You'll love the checkboxes to help you keep track of where you are in the process, as well as the handy tags for labeling all your pieces. There are dozens of helpful illustrations in the pattern to guide you, and we've also filmed an add-on video to help you with some of the more unique aspects of the project. This helpful video series will help you with these areas: cutting the pieces for your bags, including some helpful tips for working with mesh and fold-over elastic, making the drawstrings, preparing the front mesh pocket and attaching it to the bag bottom, and bringing everything together to assemble the bags. The clear and complete pattern instructions, combined with the add-on video, make meshing around a pattern that can be accomplished by all levels of sewists, from adventurous beginners to more advanced makers. Makers will need skills for careful marking and rotary cutting and for sewing accurate seams. Some experience with my patterns and terminology is also helpful. Most of the project is very straightforward, and the videos will walk you step by step through the more challenging aspects. Let's talk a little bit about the supplies that you will need to make meshing around. The pattern recommends that you use just one fabric for the bags. Of course, if you'd like to mix things up, you could certainly use different fabrics for the bottom, the casing, and the drawstrings. We used cotton quilting fabric for all of the models that we've shown, but other fabrics such as ripstop nylon or polyester board short fabrics could also be used for extra durability and water resistance. You'll also need mesh for the upper part of each bag and for the pocket on the front. ByAnnie's lightweight mesh is available in 14 fun colors. 1/2 yard package of mesh, which measures 18 inches by 54 inches, is sufficient for any of the bags. In fact, with careful cutting, both the small and the medium, or the small and the large bags, could be made from just 1/2 yard package. You'll also need some fusible interfacing to stabilize the bag bottom and the upper casing, and a bit of fold-over elastic to bind the front mesh pocket. Of course, you will need thread to match your fabric and your mesh. If you only want to use one thread, we suggest that you pick it to match the mesh. We prefer using Superior Thread's So Fine number 50, a 50-weight polyester thread that comes in 134 colors. It is strong and sturdy, yet light enough that it blends in well. And that's it. No zippers, no hardware, no strapping, no soft and stable. Isn't that fun? I'm planning to throw one of these lightweight drawstring backpacks into my purse so that I've always got an extra bag handy when I travel or go shopping. I know you'll enjoy making your own meshing around bag too, and that you'll think of lots of uses for them. We can't wait to see the bags that you make and how you use them, so be sure to share pictures of your finished projects with us. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube using @PatternsByAnnie. And if you liked this video, please click on the like button below to give us some feedback. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button too, so you're sure to know when we post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Happy stitching!